Hi, this is Dorothy Smith, and this is the last of the Seize the Day scrapbook workshop. Problem is, when I thought I was recording it, I wasn't recording it, and so this is what the project looks like. And I will show you that little squiggly, scraggly, that is a die cut. The clouds are die cuts, the lifesaver, the shells, and the title, the anchor, those are all stickers. And then you've got the getaway and the little red hearts are the three-dimensional embellishments that come with the project. So that is that. Now this is what those squiggly lines came from. This is the die cut carrier sheet. And I just kind of wanted to show you. So that's where those different color of aqua lines came from. I punched them out from those areas. So those are all of those jagged lines. And then the triangle of the white cardstock comes from that upper triangle open area. So that being said, if you flip that over, you could actually use all of the lines that come out of there. Now that would be, you could use that as a dimensional, as a cut to add to the design of your project. So for whatever purpose, but you could totally use those lines, I don't know what to call them, jagged lines, for an area of interest, or you can cut out the surrounding white paper like that. Just cut that off from there and cut it off from up top. And all of a sudden you have a same kind of idea for a background design. So I just wanted to make you aware that sometimes what you're throwing out could be used. And so I am going to hold on to those things and see if something pops up along the way that I'm going to use for that. Or you could even make additional pages that go with the previous finished pages that I showed you. These could be step 2, and you've got the same idea flowing from one page to the next. I wouldn't suggest using that, but I would do that. So anyway, just an idea, and just that makes kind of an interesting design too, doesn't it? It's amazing. Anyway, just wanted to show you that and to show you what the last of the projects looks like. And I just think this was, just a really cute project for a beachy, boaty, voyage, cruise, whatever you want to say. But these would be great pages for that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.